Tip number one, if you do REOs, if you're driving around looking at properties that are listed, available properties, bank-owned properties, I call it flagging them. When I go to look at bank-owned properties, sometimes I can do 10 of them in a day. When I'm writing up offers on bank-owns, well, I flag them. While I'm there, I stick one of my signs right in the yard. You're in the neighborhood, so you're not getting the same kind of exposure that you would get on main roads. However, you're in neighborhoods where clearly you like to buy. That's why you're there in the first place. Secondly is the owners of these properties typically are banks, and they have an agent who works here who writes up a bunch of REOs and doesn't, actually go to the property very often. The landscaper who mows the lawn, he'll actually pick up your sign and put it right back. He doesn't know what belongs there, it doesn't belong there. So nobody gets mad. I've had these on properties to sit there for months and months on end, where you put one out in an intersection, on 3-4 days it's gone. Somebody will pick it up or throw it away. You put them in front of one of these REOs, while it's sitting there, it could be there for a month, 2 months, 3 months. And during that time, you're getting exposure from everybody around that neighborhood. All my friends are real estate investors. A lot of times they'll be going to look at that same house. They see my sign out front. They assume because I flagged it that I got that house already.